Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to our series Let's Learn to Read the Quran. In this series, we learn how to read Arabic for extremely beginners. Now we are on the alphabet, or we are learning the letters. We will begin the ninth part of our second lesson, the letters. We will cover names, isolated forms, and pronunciation of our next two letters, which we will call them the I letters, not because they look like an I, but because one of them is called the Ain, and Ain is an Arabic word, and it means I. I know the letter is Ain, but in the same time, if you write the word Ain, it means I in Arabic. So let's begin. The first letter is Ain. I know it's a very difficult letter to be pronounced by a non-Arabic speaker because it comes like from the throat. So it's not a normal letter that is heavy. No, it's a totally new letter. It's Ain. Ain. A. 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 My throat is moving. The muscles are moving while I pronounce the sound. It's that like the muscles in my neck. Ah, ah, ah. It comes from the deepest part of the throat. Okay, there's no equivalent in English for ain. Let's do the next one. The next one is Ghayn. Gha, gha, gha. It's like the gargle sound. There is a vibration, but in the throat, that gives us the Ghayn. If you are familiar with French language, they pronounce their R and R, 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 R. This is the sound. The name is Ghayn. And as you can see, both of them, I know they seem a little bit complex because this is a standalone. When you write it in when you see it in a word, it will have a totally different shape that will be easier, but I think it's pretty easy. You go like this, and you go on. It's this part is like Hamza, but you extend it with a slide. Okay, same with Ghayn, but the Ghayn has a dot in above it, as you can see. If you see here, Ayn and Ghayn. Okay, this one Ghayn has a dot. Ayn doesn't have any dots on it. Okay, I will say them again and try to repeat after me. Ayn, a, 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 Ghayn, gha, gha, gha. The next part we have is just for you to practice writing, saying, pronouncing. I don't care about the names, I only care about the sound the letter makes because you will barely use the name of the letter anytime. And thank you for today. You have learned two of the most difficult letters of the Arabic language. Practice writing and saying their sounds. The next video, sorry, we will have the loop letters, fa and qaf. See you then. Bye.